the permission, and then here if you permit or not, if you permit, then we will go to matron, and then she'll permit, and then next she'll give a slip. That should be carried to the gatekeeper, and then he'll ensure that the permission is granted, and then he will allow us. So this is a long taking process. So we want to decrease this problem. To overcome this problem, we have created a project hostel secure permissions. This project contains 3 modules. I mean, 3 users can use the application: student, matron, and HOD. Student will apply the leaves using our application, leaves and outing. For both we provided. And next, after applying, these will go to the HOD as request forms, which he has the option to grant or cancel. I mean, he can search the student details, whether how many times he went, how many times he or she went for leaves, for outings, according to that, and attended according to that and the particular reason, he will permit or cancel. After permitting, that will go to the matron, and matron will permit, and then we included we removed the slip process, and we created a mail. I mean, mail or a message to the gatekeeper. We have inserted a number in that number, sender number, we have to keep the gatekeeper number, which will include this step. I mean, matron will permit, and then these details these details will go to the sender number, and then he'll permit by using that. He'll permit, and we can go easy. This decreases overhead to the matron, and registration forms will be decreased, and we will have a software copies. So next, Harley will continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Harini. The main advantage of our application is to provide access to a soft copy by overcoming all those letters and registers maintained by the warden and all those people. And so we introduced of maintaining it reduces the time, and we can easily access our application just for applying leaves or outings, and we can use it. Next, the benefits of our application is it increases the efficiency of the applying it. The request, the leave process will be very soon, and it will complete very soon. So it increases this transparency. That means we can trace the leave status, and there will be no misunderstandings between the HOD or the matron. And we can also simplify the record management. So all those details of the student, when did he leave the hostel and when did he come, all the details will be stored in the database. So there is no problem of getting conflict by giving leaves to particular student. And for front-end development, we use HTML, CSS and JavaScript languages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, that is used to generate web pages, and CSS is used to add style, cascading style sheets used to add styles to the web pages like font, size, position. And JavaScript is a high-level programming language that is used to generate the dynamic content. And for back-end development, we are using PHP, that is PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. So it is an open source server-side scripting, and we are using MySQL database. And we are also using PHP MyAdmin, which acts as an interface to MySQL database. This is the homepage of our application that contains home, matron login, HOD login, and student login. And from about, if you click the about button, we will get the information about the college, hostel, and various photos and all the details about the hostel. And matron can log in and they can permit the permissions. HOD can also log in into the application, and they can grant or cancel the leaves, and student can log in to apply their leaves. Next, Sahana will continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sahana. I am here explaining about the role of the student in our application. If students want to go home, first of all they have to leave application. Here we are providing a leave application to apply to apply leaves. First of all, to have to apply, the student have to log in the page. If student already existed in our web application, so directly student will enter username and password. If they don't have an account, student has to create. So to create an account, they have to sign up and enter the credentials like user name, password, and phone number, and parents phone number, and etc. And click on the sign up button. Student created an account in our application. After creating an application, student has to apply. Here it is the student sign up page. So these are the uploaded. Student can upload the pics, the parents pics. After entering these all details, student can click on the submit button. After clicking submit button, the account will be created. After sign up, the student can create their own account. After this, student can apply leave to go home or outing. This is the leave application. To leave from the hostel, they have to enter these details like a name, PIN number, parent or guardian, reason and date, and number of days to leave from the hostel. Next, we click on the apply the data. The message will be sent to matron, and here we have a settings button. In the setting button, we have a view profile. In this view profile, the student can view who in this view profile. It provides who are logged into this web page, and we have a changing profile. By using changing profile, we can also change the student profile and log out. So to log out this page, we can click and log out the link, and we are providing the home link. It's directly go to home page and it automatically log out this web page. Thank you. Triveni will continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Triveni from CSC final year. This module allows to HOD to enter the username and password. If HOD don't have the account, they have to create sign up the page. After creating the account in this application, it displays a page which will allow them to view their college student details and notifications. Now, HOD may or may not permit to the particular leave of a student. This is the way HOD can sign up into the application. The following details should enter: username, password, and branch. The HOD belongs to which department, and email of the HOD, and phone number and sender number. Sender number is nothing but who are staying at gate, and apply. Now the account will be created. This is the login page. The HOD who already have the account. Now enter the username and password. Let's click the login. This is the home page of HOD. This is the students in the HOD home page. This is the student information and notification. In student information, it stores the student details of PIN number, username, email, and phone number, and parent phone number. This is the notification form. Who are apply the leaves or outing. Here details are stored. The HOD will granted the permission. Grant will success and notification go to the matrix. And if they rejected, if we can log out from this page, we can go to the settings, and log out option is there, and log out from this page. If you want to use the view profile, and go to the view profile and view the HOD's details, and also edit the view profile. And next, can you continue our session?
Good afternoon, myself Shanvita. Now let me tell about the matron role in our application. First of all, matron should sign up into the application by entering the details. In the sign up, by entering the details, And if the account is already created, then matron should log in into this application. After logging into this application, matron homepage is viewed, and the top left side of this homepage consists of the settings which contain the change profile, view profile, and the logout options have provided. And the left side we have provided three links: homepage and student information, notifications. Student information contain the student details, and the notification contains the details of the students who are permitted by the principal. Now matron should only grant the permission because the permission is already granted by the HOD. So matron should not reject the permission, only should grant the permission. We will provide only one option, grant button. After clicking the grant, the sender number, the message is sent to the gatekeeper and the student phone number. Now Sadhana will continue. Conclude this presentation.
Good afternoon to everyone, respected faculty and my dear friends. I am concluding about our project so-called hostel secure permissions. It helps both students and also the college management to give secure permissions to the students by considering their security as the first priority. The project mainly focuses on the HOD, on the permissions, on the security permissions. The project mainly focuses on the permissions, giving secure permissions to the students. This is based on the higher authorities like HODs, principals, and also the matron, where the principal or HOD can grant or cancel the permission. The message will be sent to the matron, and after granting the permissions or giving the permissions, the matron will next manage the permissions. So as usual, the next matron will continue the permissions, and through the matron the message will be sent to the gatekeeper. So this is our conclusion, and this provides some features like control access and prevention from unauthorized access, and also the centralized management, and also the enhanced security. Thank you.